The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Forsyth County in central North Carolina until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 6:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado over Donaha or over King, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rural Hall, Pfafftown, Stanleyville, Winston-Salem, Sedge Garden. Precautionary/preparedness actions: take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie down in a low-lying area. Protect yourself from flying debris.